Hi there, Charlotta from MD Needlepen. I wanted to show you what is in the different kits that we offer. We have 2 microneedling pens that you can also do nanoneedling with. So the first original MD Needle pen comes in a box. Oh, they both comes in boxes, of course, but this is the box that the original comes in. And in there you will find the pen and a battery, and also a battery, of course, attached to the pen. You get an extra battery just because in case you want to use the pen cordless, you can always have a fully charged battery. So if you've had like 4 or 5 patients in a row and you want to switch battery, then you have the option instead of plugging in the cord. So with this pen, it's the original pen. You turn it on while pressing the on button for 5 seconds. Then you see it's a red color. That's the fastest speed. If you click it once, you get purple, dark blue, light blue, and green. And it also changes the sound because it's the RPMs per minute, per revolution, that are counted. So with this pen, you have 3,000 to 12,000 RPMs. And I turned it off exactly the same way as I turn it on. You press it down for 5 seconds and turn it off 5 seconds. And if you wanted to change the RPMs, you just do a fast click. And you can see there that the color changes too. Okay, so you get the pen. You also have a charger, of course, and it's a USB plug and a regular plug, but you can use this obviously anywhere. You also get patient brochures. It's 25 patient brochures that you will receive in the kit, and you also get 1 hyaluronic acid. It's a 2-ounce hyaluronic acid. We have this in the kit, in both of the kits, just because, or all 4 of the kits, I should say, because we have 2 microneedling kits and 2 nano kits. In case you don't have a good serum to use during the microneedling or nanoneedling treatment, that's why we have this. It's pure hyaluronic acid, so it doesn't, it's hypoallergenic. That's a tongue twister. Hypoallergenic, and also really good for your skin. In the box, you also get a pack of 10 needle cartridges. And in the original one, and actually in the other MD Needlepen 2, you get the 12 pin. So a pack of 12 pin needle cartridges. And you also have a manual card, and that tells you exactly how to turn the device on, how to put on the cartridges properly, and so on. You also get access to something called a success portal immediately after your pen purchase, and that is an educational tool on our website where you use the password and username that you created at checkout to log in, and you can find video tutorials, needle depth charts, manual, pre and post form, and consent forms, etc. in that success portal. Okay, so that was the first kit. With the first kit, you can do both microneedling and nanoneedling. So we have 3 different cartridges, a 12 pin, 36 pin, and the nano. And you have to take a look because in the shop there are there are actually 6 different needle cartridges. 3 fits with one pen and 3 fits with the other. So the cartridges, let me see where I have a good one. Okay, yeah, so the cartridges that fits with the original pen looks like this. And it's like, let me see if you can see it there. It is kind of like a square attachment. That's how they look like. It's like actually a rectangle, if you can see it there. Those fit with the original kit. So that's all the original kit. And then we have MD Needlepen 2. Also comes in a box, which say MD Needlepen. and this pen is blue. Ooh, I'm gonna try to get it up here. So this pen too comes with a battery attached and with an extra battery. Gonna open this one here, brand new pen. Okay, so the new pen is blue. The pen is attached to one battery. You will also get an extra battery, and it's the same there like the original kit. If you want to use the pen without the cord in, you always have an extra battery. So if you want to switch out the battery after a few patients, you can do so. So this pen looks a little bit different, more than the color. When you turn it on, you click a pretty short one, and you can see it has actually 7 speeds and not 5, like the older version, or I would say the original version. So if you click here, you can see the speed is changing from 1 to 7, and then it go back to 1. And you turn it off exactly like the other one. You click it a little longer. But another feature that this pen has, well, there's more speeds, and the RPMs are from 5,000 to 17,000. So that's different from the original pen. The original pen is 3,000 to 12,000. Okay, so what is different with this one then? When you click it on, you also have an option to use an LED light. So I'm actually gonna put on a cartridge so you can see what I mean. Okay, putting on the cartridge looks very different. It's longer, have a round little dot there, and it's a screw on. So you screw it on. Awesome, it's there. I always have to be careful with when you screw it on. You always want to have it on the lowest dial or the lowest setting. Okay, so now the cartridge is on. Okay, so mdneedlepen 2. The cartridges look different. They're longer and they're screw-ons, and they also have a little vent hole in them. So when you attach the cartridge, just like the original version, you have to have it on the lowest setting or the lowest dial. So I put it on here on 0.1, or actually it's actually 0, I think. And then I attach it and I just screw it on. Let's see here. Okay, and then I just screw it on. Super, super easy. It is attached. And then I click on the speed, but now I can also choose an LED light. So if you can see, it's red now, the white, blue, green, yellow, pinkish, light blue, and red again. So you have actually an LED option. Turn this off. With this new pen, which is pretty cool. What comes in the kit though? You will get the exact same thing. You will get a charger with a USB modem, or USB plug, I should say, not USB. You get a charger with a USB plug as well. You also get the HA, exactly like the other kit, and the patient brochures. And you get 10, and you also get a pack of 10 needle cartridges, exactly like the original kit, but these cartridges look a little different than the original needles. So that's what you get in the kits. The only thing that differs is the device and the cartridges, but the charger, the hyaluronic acid, and the needle cartridges are. So that's what you get in the kit. And the only thing that differs, of course, is device, is the needle cartridges. The needle cartridges and the device are completely different from kit to kit, from mdneedlepen original. So the difference with the two kits are the mdneedlepen original have the silver pen. You can do nanoneedling and microneedling with it. It have 5 speeds, and the RPMs are 3,000 to 12,000. The cartridges they are $9 each for this one. You can do both microneedling and nanoneedling with it. With mdneedlepen 2, have 7 speeds, also the LED function. Have the RPMs are from 5,000 to 17,000, and you can do nanoneedling with this one as well. The cartridges for this one is $11 per cartridge, and for the other one's $9 per cartridge. The price for the original is $995, and the price for mdneedlepen 2, the blue one, is $12.95. Both comes with a success portal, as I explained earlier in the video. And if you have any questions, we are here for support, so feel free to email us at any time.